Kia pauses U.S. sales of high-performance EV6 GT. Kia has temporarily stopped selling its fastest EV6 model in the United States, citing changing market conditions. The delay affects the 2026 EV6 GT, which is currently produced in South Korea. The rest of the EV6 lineup, assembled in Georgia, remains available. Why this matters: the move is a direct result of several converging economic pressures. First, the United States now imposes a 25% tariff on automobiles imported from South Korea, significantly increasing the cost of bringing the EV6 GT into the American market. The vehicle already started at $65,275 in 2025. And with tariffs, it risks approaching prices of luxury competitors like the $80,000 Cadillac Lyriq V. Second, federal EV incentives have ended, further dampening demand for electric vehicles across all brands. Sales of the EV6 have already dropped nearly 60% this year. These factors combined make offering the high-performance GT trim uneconomical for now. Kia released a brief statement confirming the delay. Offering tremendous value and exhilarating performance to customers across Kia's full range of vehicles is paramount. But due to changing market conditions, the 2026 EV6 GT will be delayed until further notice. This delay does not impact the availability of other trims in the EV6 lineup, which are proudly assembled in our world-class facility in West Point, Georgia. What's next? The long-term implications are unclear. If Kia wants to keep the EV6 GT in the US market, it could explore shifting production to its Georgia plant. However, this would require significant investment and logistical adjustments. For now, the EV6 GT is the latest example of how tariffs and incentive changes are reshaping the automotive landscape. The delay underscores the challenges automakers face in maintaining profitability while navigating a volatile global market.